Hi everyone again. This is Oscar again from Monkey Media Marketing, and this is just the continuation of our tutorial on Builder All platform on how you're going to create your e-learning tutorial course and add this to your website. Okay, last time we did explain to you on how you get started setting up your e-learning course into the Builder All dashboard. Okay, and this time what we're going to do is we're going to embed or transfer that e-learning course that we did last time into your website, and also creating a questionnaire test for your student, and also showing you how they can get their certificate once they finish all the questionnaire tests for their final exam, and have them get a chance to get a certificate. Okay, without further ado, we're gonna go over. And we are in builder or dashboard right now. They kind of like update everything here. This is the good thing with builder all. They're always trying to update and improve their platform. So we're just gonna go enter into the perfect pixel site builder, and we're gonna go over to the. Okay, we are going to use the website that we used as a dummy before, and to transfer those e-learning tutorial course. I'm not going to use our own website. So what we're going to do is we are going to use the um, dummy website that we've used in the first part of our video tutorial on video. Okay, so just gonna click this button here, and they're gonna bring us over to the website itself. We're just gonna going to create a blank page, adding to the site. Let's say, for example, this is your actual website, but as I told you, this is just a dummy. So we're just gonna embed that e-learning tutorial course we did into this dummy website, and pretend this is your actual website. This is how you are going to transfer or embed that e-learning tutorial course that we did last time. Okay, so we're gonna go over to this dashboard again, and we'll go to the add apps and click the e-learning button where we did our the back ends of the dashboard. Okay, so what you're going to do is we're gonna go over to the courses that we did. This one right here, if you remember, right? It's just a couple of days ago that we did that. So this is the course that we did, the French cooking, culinary cooking tu- e-learning course. We're gonna do. I'm just gonna go move over right here. And what you're going to do is you just click the share and embed, and you are just going to grab this iframe code in order for you to transfer the entire tutorial. Okay, so we're just gonna go back to the website. All right, right here, let's pretend this is your website. I did a blank page already, so we're not gonna do that. Pretend you just gonna what you're going to do is you're just gonna kind of like add right here. The next time you did this is basically you're just gonna add a page right here. Come on, get out there. How can I move this? Add a page right here, and it will gonna show up another blank page, which is kind of look like this. Yeah, that's it, right? So Just gonna take that away. So once you're in there, what you're gonna do is go to this plus icon button here and go over to the apps where we can get the HTML code. Okay, the best thing to you can also do the grab the e-learning uh, icon here, but the best thing to do is go grab and transfer, embed the tutorial course into HTML code. So if it's happened that you wanted to transfer this website, the same thing that I'm going to do with you guys, that at the end of my tutorial course, I might gonna transfer this website to my other student. Okay, so just gonna kind of like make this a little bigger. And what you're gonna do next is click the edit button. And as you can see right here, there's a HTML code right here. This is the default set. We're just gonna uh, delete that and paste the HTML code that we get from this dashboard right here. Just grab this and copy paste it right here. So you can do CTRL RL plus B. There you go. And then confirm. See, this is the tutorial course that we did, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to, you know, make it. We wanted to have, the full page, right there. Okay, so you stop from there. So basically, this is gonna be your e-learning course that we did, right? So we're just gonna check the preview button to see how it looks like in actual. Okay, so remember we did this sun video right here, right? And it should be showing up here, right there. So if it's happened, this is your website, and you're gonna have a page here. You're gonna call this page as your e-learning course, right? So you're gonna change that page into e-learning course. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you're going to do that, right? So basically, this is it.
As
This
a
is your
business
video,
owner, running a business by
and we'll check the other one. Same thing, right?
Hi everyone again, this is Oscar from Monkey Media.
All right, there you go. So we're just gonna return to edit, and then that blank page. What we're gonna do with that is you want it to just click this button and then change that blank page to, let's say, e-learning page. Okay, same thing here, e-learning page. I think we should do this underscore. Oh no, just save it. Okay, see. So the page changed its name, right? So that's how you're going to do it, basically. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're just gonna show you how you are going to create a test under the e-learning dashboard. Okay. So from here, just you're gonna click the course that you did, and just gonna click the edit right here. So from here you can see there's test, right? So Here you can add a questionnaire, and I'm just gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna have three questions that we're going to make. Okay, so you can do either multiple choice questionnaire, true or false, or short answer. So I'm going to do this. Let's say this is the final test. That's what we're going to do. Final test. Up, I need just a glass of water. Have a sore throat. Okay. What is the name of our planet? That's the first question. Let's just leave it that way. So if you happen to have your own questionnaire, you can do that. So you have like kind of like four answers that your student can choose, and you're just gonna click the correct answer. All right. So what is the name of our planet? This is just a sample, and there will be a value, right, of the questionnaire. Let's say for the first question, in order to create 100% total scores, you need to create a value. So for this three question, I'm going to do like kind of like a 40, 40, and 20. So it's, sum up to 100%, uh, total amount of percentage. Okay. So I'm going to have to do this 40 for each question. This is just a sample, right? So that's the first question I'm going to do. Bam. Okay, so we're just gonna add another one. It's up to you. Let's say you wanted to do a true or false answer. Oh, no, no. We can stay with that multiple choice. Uh, is tomato? This is just a random question I did. Is tomato a vegetables or a fruit? Okay, you can do kind of like uh, fruits, and then your student can. It's up to you, right? You're gonna do create your questionnaire, so it's obviously the question will be related to your video or tutorial that you did. Fruit, vegetable, meat. This is just a random I did. Okay, chicken. Okay, so basically that's how you're going to do it. So basically, let's say the correct answer will be fruit, right? So and then you're gonna add the value again, because I did this under the percentage, so I will do like kind of like 40% for each question, and the rest is the 20% for the last question I'm going to have. Okay. Final test, multiple choice. So what I'm gonna do this time is true or false. Is advertising on social media worth it or not? So basically, I'm gonna do true, right? If you advertise on social media, it's worth, So the answer is true, So that's basically how you're going to do it. Then, bam, okay? Okay, as soon as you guys get done with your question or test for your student, you can always check, the final test. So we're going to do the actual final test exam, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's go over here. You see, this is all the questionnaire that we did earlier. So what is the name of the planet? This is just a random test that as a sample, right, for us, for you guys to know how things work. So what you're going to do is go to the next question. Is tomato vegetable or fruit? Of course, this is a fruits, and then in advertising social media worth it or not, so you just click the button true, and then we submit the final exam. Okay, and from here you're supposed to get the result. If you pass, your student can get the certificate. If not, they have to retake the exam. Okay, so submit. Bam. See, it says success, and the passing percent is 60%, and you get 100% score. So what your student need to do is check their final result right here. So this is the final exam that you did, right? So you pass the score, the exam, and what will happen is your student can grab the certificate. And this is just the default certificate that it will show up here. But what we're going to do is we're going to uh, update or try to change the looks of it. Okay, so basically that's going to look like, but we are going to edit the certificate. So this is just how it's going to show when your student passed the exam. So this is not the actual certificate. What you need to do is, again, go over to your course, and we're going to edit the certificate right here. So they have a template. Builder all has set already. So what you can just choose which one do you like. So I'm just gonna try this one here, and there's of default certificate that was here, so you can always change that, right? So, and it will automatically goes under your student name if they become a member or if they bought the exam itself, right? So we're just gonna try to check this, and you can always change what's content that was here. Depends how you're going to you want your certificate look like. So, okay, so we're just gonna save this, click OK button, and what we're gonna do right now is we go over to the tutorial course again, and we check your final result, and we're just gonna try to check the certificate again and see how it looks like now. Should be changed because we update, right? So this is how it's going to look, the certificate, and you can always change it, right? So depend on how you're going to do it. So just follow the tutorial, and I'm pretty much sure you can do this better, or you want how you want it to your certificate look like. So basically that's how you're going to do everything. I think we've done with the how you're going to create your e-learning course, how to set up your questionnaire test for your student, as well as getting their certificate. Okay, so in the next video we're going to uh, teach you how you're going to use the payment method if you want to charge your student, for this tutorial course that you've added in your website. So I hope this you guys get a great value on this tutorial I did with regards to the Builder All platform. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.
Feel just like a rock star.